Welcome to the Francois Entrepreneur Podcast, where we turn ambitious dreams into actionable plans. I'm Davidson. Think about this: you've seen the success stories, the passive income, the equity building, and you're ready to jump into real estate investing. But how do you know you're truly ready? It's not about finding the perfect property, it's about building the perfect financial foundation. Today, we are laying that foundation. We'll walk through the 4 non-negotiable checks you need to pass before you invest a single dollar. If you follow these steps, you'll move from dreaming about wealth to strategically building it. Let's dive into assessing your financial situation. The first step is simple, but often avoided: know your numbers. We need absolute clarity on your current financial health. This starts with a comprehensive budget: income, expenses, and debts. List all sources of income, detail every single one of your monthly payments, and total up all your debts. This isn't about judgment, it's about data, the power of disposable income. The real goal here is to identify your disposable income, the money you can reliably and safely allocate toward investment. If you don't know this number, you're guessing, and entrepreneurs don't guess, we calculate. Get that budget ironed out. Once your budget is clear, the next critical metric is your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI. This ratio is essentially a lender's primary health check on you. It tells them if you can handle additional debt, like a new mortgage for an investment property. The calculation: your DTI is your total monthly debt payments divided by your gross monthly income. The benchmark: we're aiming for a DTI below 36%. Why 36%? Because this is often the optimal threshold that lenders look for to comfortably finance new real estate ventures. If your ratio is higher, your priority right now isn't finding a deal, it's debt reduction. Getting your DTI in check is your first investment. Real estate requires capital, upfront money for down payments and closing costs. But more important than the initial cash is your emergency fund. This is your financial shield. The investment buffer you need: accessible savings to cover unexpected expenses without having to jeopardize your investments. What if your rental property needs an immediate repair? What if you lose a tenant? The 3 to 6 month rule. The goal is to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an easily accessible, liquid account. This cushion provides peace of mind. It ensures that when you start investing, you are doing it from a position of strength, not desperation. Don't compromise your personal financial stability for an investment opportunity. Our final step is to define what success looks like and how you'll pay for it. SMART goals: your investment goals must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Vague goals lead to vague results. Know your loans. Lastly, you must familiarize yourself with financing options. Don't just settle for what a bank first offers. Research conventional loans, look into HA loans for owner-occupied properties, and explore creative strategies like house hacking or the BRR method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Understanding these options lets you choose the best strategy that aligns with your newly defined financial landscape. We've covered the 4 pillars of financial readiness. We found clarity by creating a comprehensive budget. We established financial stability by analyzing your DTI ratio. We built a financial shield with our savings and emergency fund. We planned our path with SMART goals and a financing strategy. Real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By thoroughly assessing your financial situation now, you are laying a solid, unshakable foundation for a long, prosperous journey. I want you to start this journey with us. Every week on the Francois Entrepreneur Podcast, we break down these complex strategies into simple, executable steps. If you found value in today's episode, please do 2 things. Hit the subscribe button on your podcast app right now so you never miss another episode dedicated to building your wealth. Follow us on social media and share this episode with one friend who is also ready to make their first big investment move. Thank you for tuning in. Now go out there, crunch those numbers, and take the next confident step toward becoming a Francois entrepreneur. I'm Davidson, and I'll catch you next time.